Hi dearest, welcome back to the Vent Craft. So we're continuing today in our series of how to make money as a millionaire or a tailor. So in this series, I'm going to be showing you what I made with this little piece of material left over from a client who made this top in a tailor shop. Here is the finished product, the fascinator and the blouse. What do you think? Do let me know in the comment section below. So before we go into how this was made, let us move over to the winner of this video that I put up. And the winner is Joy Ogechi. Congratulations. Please do check the description of this video. You will see the Ventcraft reception. Click the link and make a request for your gift, Fascinator Class 2. Congratulations once more. Now let's dive into today's tutorial. How was this lovely black elegant fascinator made to make more money as a millionaire or a tailor? So the first thing I did was to cut out patterns from the lace. Now if you have a lace that you want to make a fascinator with, check and see if there are patterns on the lace that would make some lovely design on your fascinator. And that's what I did with this particular piece. It had some small leaf like designs on it, and I decided to cut out a big portion, then a small portion, just various pieces. Keep watching and learning. So here are the pieces I've cut and they're ready for use. Now you need to go over to this video, Secrets to Molding, and watch. I will drop the link in the description of this video. So do check it out so you get to know how I have fascinator molds ready to use. Now this is it, and I've attached my Alice band to it. You can see you do that before you cover it up. Now here I'm covering it up. All I need to do is use my uhu gum and put it below all the way round. Now if you do not know how to mold with pad or wadding, which is what I used, please do check the description of this video also. I will drop the link because I've already done the video previously, so you know how to mold with wadding or pad depending on where you're from. They have different names for it, and it's actually a less expensive way of molding a fascinator. So keep watching and learning. Okay, so now it's time to do your north, south, east, and west. Oh, if you watch one of my videos, I asked what is the reason why we do this. If you answer this question, you gotta go and look for that video and answer the question, and you get to win it. I think the results will be out in my next video. Okay, so after you've done north, south, east, and west, you start grabbing the sides and holding them down as well. Keep watching and learn. Okay, so now I'm making use of my B6000 to add the pieces that I cut out from the lace to the fascinator. Now what I'm doing is I'm adding the glue to the edges, then I'll just put a little in the middle. Ensure it doesn't touch the net part so that it doesn't spill on top. Now this is the way I make my black elegant fascinator. So I put the big one and then I put a pattern with the small one all around that corner. Keep watching and learning. That horn is not part of my video. Okay, so you're almost at the end. So I think today we won't wait to the end to give our game. So now the game is, what is the name of the video that had the first of this series on how to make more money? Do write in the comment section below, and the winner gets to attend Brooch Class 1 for free. Okay, so of course you got to make the back look lovely and neat as well. So I'm going to cover up where I sewed my headband, and I'm going to do a little pattern also around the corners. Okay, but before we get into that, we have to of course cover the edges of our black elegant fascinator with our bias. So I'm making use of uhu gum in this aspect. Now if you want to know why I make use of various types of gum when I'm doing my fascinator, please also do check the description of this video. You will see the best glues. There I talk about different glues and when to use and all that stuff. So check the description. Let's keep learning, watching and learning. Okay, so you do this all the way around and this beautiful black elegant fascinator pops out. What you think about it? Okay, do let me know in the comments section what you think about this black elegant fascinator. Seeing how to make more money as a millionaire and a tailor, you need to click that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming trainings. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye and God bless. And you want to check out this next video?